friends, how are you today? I hope you are fine. This week we are going to study about birds.
Birds. Owl. Penguin. Parrot. Eagle. Dove. Let's count.
This is an owl. How many owls is there? One. Good. These are penguins. How many penguins are there? Two. These are parrots. How many parrots are there? Three. These are doves. How many doves are there? Four. These are eagles. How many eagles are there? Five. Wow! Good job!
Let's count one more time. 1. One owl. 1. 2. 2 penguins. 1, 2, 3. 3 parrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eagles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 doves.